डोमिनेटेड हो गए ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हम लोग
failure of our senior players.
Captain's performance with the team's performance. Even if
None of our batter had more than 50 ka average. Our
So we all are IPL fan over here, but we are also Team India's fan. And today we lost the BGT 3-1 to Australia, which has tarnished our chances to participate in the World Test Championship finals. So we won't be participating in the World Test Championship finals for the first time. And we didn't just lose BGT, we lost it with a lot of embarrassment as well. हम लोग डोमिनेटेड हो गए ऑस्ट्रेलिया से. हम लोग लास्ट 2 BGT जीते थे उनके घर पे जाके, बट first we lost the series against New Zealand at home. Now we lose the BGT, which we all saw coming, right? So we are going to speak what went wrong with Team India in the last 3-4 months. What has gone wrong? We'll just try to put it across the points and speak about more about Team India, but not IPL this time. So yeah, Param, let's just start with you. What do you think went wrong for Team India?
see, I think overall team all three bowling, batting, and the captaincy. All three went wrong. We were not good in terms of batting. Also, none of our batter had more than 50 ka average. Our second highest scorer in the team was Nitish Reddy.
Yeah.
So I think batting was very bad. Our second was captaincy. We all saw what happened in the third test. जब हमारा चांस था, जब टेल एंडर्स थे, बट रोहित की कैप्टनसी में आपने देखी है, उन्होंने पूरी फील्ड जो है बाउंड्री पे लगा दी. कुछ एग्रेसिव फील्डिंग में नहीं था, कुछ एग्रेशन कहाँ हमें कौन से प्लेयर को कैसे यूज करना है. हम लोगों ने आई गेस फोर्थ मैच में वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने 1 ओवर किया, या आई थिंक उससे भी कम किया. उन्होंने वो प्लेयर्स को भी यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाए. तो सेकंड आई विल से कैप्टनसी. थर्ड आई विल से बॉलिंग ऑल्सो. ऑफ कोर्स बुमराह वाज ग्रेट, उन्होंने बहुत विकेट ली, बट सिराज एज अ सेकंड बॉलर वाज नॉट दैट ग्रेट. तो ऑल थ्री एस्पेक्ट्स वी वर बैड.
Gaurav, what do you think?
I think I agree. मतलब mostly I think it was the batting कि bowlers पे actually बहुत pressure भी आ रहा था. मतलब none of the batsmen could perform and मतलब you know मतलब
Yes, but it was a bowling friendly pitch, right? Except for first match and fourth match, बाकी pitches fifth तो it was a proper bowling friendly pitches. But still इतना हम लोग उनके लिए नहीं कर पाए. Batsmen को हम
but I think मतलब more than मतलब in my opinion
Yes,
like
yes.
more than say bowlers I think the batsmen really fucked it up for India this BGT tournament. But that's it. Like I think it was
That is-
from the
that is-
batsman
that is
that
point.
mistake. Yeah.
Rajdeep,
I have 2-3 points. First is failure of our senior players. Second is team selection. Third is over reliance on Jasprit Bumrah. We were over reliable that Jasprit Bumrah is going to get us every game. उसका overs आप देख लो या कुछ भी कर लो. And सबसे खराब जो मुझे लग रहा है was our team selection. We were clueless. हमारी टीम को कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. कभी हमारे कैप्टन ऑप्ट आउट हो जाते हैं. इट वॉज हिज कॉल, कंप्लीटली अग्री, बट कभी वो ऑप्ट आउट हो जाते हैं. पहले 2 मैच हमारे लिए हर्षित राणा खेले एज अ थर्ड पेसर, 0 इम्पैक्ट. देन आकाशदीप एंड थर्ड प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा. वी डोंट हैव एनी बॉलर रादर अदर देन बुमराह हु कैन परफॉर्म फॉर अस. सिराज ने विकेट्स ली बट ही वाज बैस्ड एवरीवेयर, हर जगह पे. ओके, एंड लाइक ही सेड दैट वाज एग्जैक्टली माय पॉइंट. ओपनर यशस्वी जायसवाल को अगर हम छोड़ दें, ओनली यशस्वी जायसवाल, आई वोंट टॉक अबाउट केएल, विराट, एनीवन, उन्होंने एक बड़े स्कोर मारे बट इट वाज बैड. उनके अलावा अगर आप फर्स्ट आपका ओपनर के बाद अगर आपका 8वें नंबर का बैट्समैन आपका लीडिंग रन स्कोरर है, तो आपको वो मिडल ऑर्डर पता है. टीम सिलेक्शन का कुछ हाथ पैर पता नहीं है. नीतीश रेड्डी, रविंद्र जडेजा एंड वॉशिंगटन सुंदर हमारे मिडल ऑर्डर थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया की सीमिंग पिचेस पे. दे चोज जडेजा एंड वॉशिंगटन सुंदर एज द 2 ऑलराउंडर्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम नीतीश रेड्डी, मुझे पता नहीं उन्होंने बॉलिंग कब की. बॉलिंग नहीं मिली उन्हें, बैटिंग उनसे हो नहीं. वॉशिंगटन सुंदर वाज डिसेंट, बट मुझे लगता है यू टुक सरफराज खान, अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन, दे हैव स्कोर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ रन्स इन डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट. वो कहाँ थे जब आप कंटिन्यूसली टीम चेंजेस कर रहे थे? तो उनको भी एक चांस देते थे. वहां पे भी हम गए. हमारे थर्ड हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर आफ्टर बुमराह एंड सिराज वाज प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा. He played 1 game. उसने एक गेम खेला है 5 में से, और वो थर्ड हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर है. यशस्वी के बाद ये है, और मिडल ऑर्डर ये है. कंप्लीट फेलियर ऑफ गौतम गंभीर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. टीम सिलेक्शन वाज वर्स्ट.
Adesh?
I think we spoke about batsmen being a big failure throughout the tournament, but you know, I being a passionate test watcher, and I have woke up every morning to see how the test or the whole series went. One thing which I realized is in test cricket there is a significant role of relationship between a captain's performance with the team's performance. Even if you provide the best team to a captain who is out of form, he can't bring the best out of that specific team. Just for an example, if we saw in this series, you know, Bumrah became the captain for the first match. India got all out for 150, but that spark of Jasprit Bumrah in the late that day, where he took 2 wickets, inspired the other bowlers like Harshit Rana and Siraj to perform next day, and we eventually won that Test match. But since the second Test match when Rohit came back, I'm not judging that Rohit is a bad captain or he's not good captain. But what I have seen in this series is he not performing has also let down the team somewhere. His average of 11 across 12 Test matches shows that he is out of form. He's out of struggling for his own footings, and that has impacted the team. Same way when we saw the Test team of Virat Kohli in 2018-2019, where he took majorly his own team to Australia, where they have their own kind of challenges, to South Africa, to England. He was the one who was leading them. He was the one who has the average of more than 50 in all the 3 countries, where he brought the best out of the team, where Rishabh Pant, who had the debut series, scored century, where other players also contributed in that sense. So I feel the role of a captain plays a significant
You
role.
are saying just because our captain was out of form, it impacted the team a lot.
Yeah, I think even in the New Zealand series, captain wasn't performing well. That has led to the whole batting unit.
Yeah, makes sense. I think from my point of view, 3 people are to be blamed, which is Gautam Gambhir, Rohit and Virat. Gautam Gambhir, because of the choices he made, playing Siraj continuously for all the 5 matches, not using Bumrah properly. We all know he is injury prone, but still he was made to play all the 5 matches. ठीक है, उसने हम लोग को बचाया, but still we cannot risk him for the upcoming tournaments as well. And then team selection, like Prasidh Krishna was there, Harshit Rana was there, अच्छे chances ने दिया. Then coming to Rohit, poor captaincy, out of form, very bad decision to come and first of all lower himself in the batting order from the second test. एक टेस्ट अगर राहुल और जायसवाल ने अच्छा खेल दिया तो कितना पता था कि आपको आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है कि आप ओपन कर पाओ. फिर वो नीचे गए, फिर उनका फॉर्म खराब हुआ, फिर उसने ओपन किया नहीं हुआ, फिर उन्होंने अपने को ड्रॉप कर दिया. And now coming to Virat Kohli, I think one of the most disappointing player for me in this test series. We expected a lot from him, being like we all know Rohit is not anywhere closer to the batter which Virat is, and getting out in a similar fashion for 8 times in the same delivery, same shot. So majorly all these players, and then हम लोग बस ये लोग के बारे में बोलते हैं, बट गिल ने भी कुछ परफॉर्म तो किया है नहीं. केएल राहुल ने बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट किया था, बट इन दी एंड 30 के एवरेज में फिनिश किया है. तो ओवरऑल टीम ही काफी बुरी चीज थी, पर ये तीनों लोग सबसे ज्यादा ब्लेम होना
अब ये टाइम आ गया है कि हम है ना अपने आईपीएल किड्स को ना टेस्ट क्रिकेट के लिए नहीं भेजे.
राइट.
अब आईपीएल में आई एग्री जायसवाल वाज सुपर्ब, ओके, बट उसके अलावा शुभमन गिल डिसअपॉइंटिंग, ओके, ऋषभ पंत एवरेज, sometimes he goes all guns blazing and sometimes it doesn't work out for him, okay, and then Nitish was fabulous in one of the innings, but वो भी फेल हुए. It's time we consider कि हमारे जो रणजी के प्लेयर्स हैं जो 5 days का क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, जो ये खेल, उनको आगे भेजो ना. अगर आपका नहीं, जैसे रोहित की बात आती है, इट्स वेरी हार्श टू से, बट उनको अगर नहीं कॉन्फिडेंस था ओपनिंग में या उनको, तो ही शुडंट हैव प्लेड दैट गेम आल्सो.
या
बिकॉज वो नंबर पे आई थिंक सरफराज खान, अगर आपको एज अ प्योर बैटर चाहिए तो सरफराज खान वुड हैव प्लेड देयर. आपको खेलना, यू आर द स्किपर, यू कम ऑन द टॉप, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, अभी आपका फॉर्म नहीं है, यू गो देयर एंड यू प्ले. नीचे आके भी कुछ इंपैक्ट पड़ा नहीं. इट्स टाइम कि आईपीएल किड्स को, हमारे सिलेक्टर्स को एक T20 और टेस्ट मैच को बहुत अलग रखना चाहिए,
Right.
और ये प्लेयर्स को चांस देना चाहिए.
बट अगेन लाइक इसको Nitish Reddy was one of the most surprising package.
करेक्ट.
Yes.
पर वो भी एक तुक्का लग गया तो लग गया. उनने 100 मारा, उसके बाद उनने भी कुछ ज्यादा तो कुछ ऐसे किया.
No, disappointment was Jadeja.
हाँ.
जडेजा से जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी वो उसका 10% भी नहीं कर रहे थे. अगर हम देखेंगे तो रोहित और विराट पे हर बार नाइफ गिरती है, कोई भी बोला आउट ऑफ फॉर्म है, मैं मानता हूँ, बट थर्ड मोस्ट सीनियर प्लेयर आई गेस वाज जडेजा. एश ऑप्टेड आउट, एश रिटायर्ड कि ठीक है भाई, हो
Which
गया.
also I think was a very bad move.
Very bad move in the between of the series, middle of the series, but Jadeja as a third most senior player, zero performance.
So I have this question for you before we wrap this segment out. Do you think that Rohit and Virat both should retire from Test, or any one of them, or none of them? We will start with you.
I think Virat should stay.
No.
Definitely, he is needed in the whole.
Why is he needed? Like, what is he contributing to be needed? He has an average of 7 in first innings since 2020.
True, but we can't deny the fact that what is his role in away series. Maybe just
What does that even mean?
it means as in he is a good player which
He was a
can
good
grow.
player.
he was, I believe, you know, we
2020 से उनका कुछ भी टेस्ट
सिर्फ ये 4 साल को नहीं देखते, हम बहुत ज्यादा अवे सीरीज में देखते हैं कि उन्होंने कितना परफॉर्म किया है.
Recent performance के बेसिस में ही होता है ना, मतलब पुजारा को भी वापस लेके
बट उससे वो लॉन्ग रोप वो डेफिनेटली डिजर्व करता है, वो लॉन्ग रोप. He just
I think this is why we are losing so much constantly. This is the mindset which we give to the star players. Like he said, कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए आपको 5 दिन पिच में होना भी, जैसे आज इरफान पठान ने भी बोला है कि आप रणजी जाके खेलो. बैटिंग रन्स ठीक है, रन स्कोर करना हम उन्हें नहीं सिखा सकते, बट वो जो 5 दिन का वो जो हसल रहता है वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. पर बिकॉज वी आर लाइक दिस कि वो लॉन्गर रोप डिजर्व करते हैं. अरे भाई क्यों डिजर्व करते हैं? अगर बुमराह, जब पुजारा नहीं डिजर्व करते, जब रहाणे डिजर्व नहीं करते, तो कोहली क्यों डिजर्व करते?
हम उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन कोहली का बहुत ज्यादा है.
रहा है,
पहले
पहले रहा है.
ऐसे डोमेस्टिक ज्यादा नहीं कहता था.
since कुछ नहीं है,
मतलब 26 का एवरेज रहा है ये
Since after lockdown definitely poor form है, तो हम उन्हें सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं
हाँ,
maybe play domestic and then you know simultaneously be in the squad. But just picking out Kohli out of the test squad is.
So you think Virat should stay and Rohit should go?
Rohit definitely can go because I feel opening slot requires someone who can face the complete new ball and just allow the middle order to
So you think
play.
Virat will be able to anchor मतलब अगर opening batter मिले.
Virat comes at number 4. He is not an opener, so I feel Virat Kohli can still bring his mojo back to the team because what he brings to the table in a test squad, I don't think someone currently in the Indian
So
squad.
you will stick to Jaiswal and KL as openers.
हाँ, Jaiswal and
What is he
KL.
bringing now?
As I said, as in his own presence in the team matters a lot.
Okay.
His
I don't think neither of them should retire. They should go and play a domestic cricket. And if they get their form back, they can come back to the team. And if they don't perform there as well, then they can think of retiring. Just because अगर 1-2 series नहीं चले, I think last 15 matches या 20 matches से they were not playing that well. क्योंकि रोहित शर्मा till 2021 or 22 was very good in test cricket. हो गया अभी फॉर्म डिप हो गया.
2021-22 नहीं, वही 2-3 साल ही was good.
हाँ तो he was good, right? तो अभी उनका फॉर्म डिप हुआ है, तो just because he is not playing, we can't say कि इसको रिटायर हो जाना चाहिए just because he is 36-37. I think
But
they should
this
go
is
and play domestic cricket. See if they can improve their performance. Yeah, if they can, then they should come back to the team. And if they are not performing in domestic as well, then they should think of retiring.
Do you think they will go and play domestic?
That is in their hand.
Do you think they will
I
or not?
think
None
Virat
of
or
them will. And what if they don't?
हाँ then they can retire, right?
Then
After
so
that
you're
they
saying
can.
that if they don't play domestic, they should retire.
selectors ने
If they
decision लिया है.
don't play well in domestic, then they should.
They will
retire.
not play in domestic.
That is the second thing that we'll see कि
When
what
was
will
the last
happen.
time Virat played in
It was
domestic?
till 2011, but I don't think so. उसके बाद भी तो he has performed well, right? ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि वो खेल ही नहीं
Virat
पाया.
will never play in domestic. It doesn't even live in India anymore. So, what do you think?
No, I don't think so. Any of them should retire. क्योंकि ये सीरीज को मैं रोहित विराट के फेलियर से ज्यादा एज अ टीम
failure.
फेलियर देख रहा हूँ. हाँ, रोहित एंड विराट वर बैड, दे वर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म, बट आवर टीम कोलैप्स्ड.
मारे हैं.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, he opted out.
हाँ.
जब उसको लगा कि हाँ मेरे परफॉर्मेंस नहीं हो
He
रही.
only opted out to prolong his career because he knew. कि
Yeah,
Sydney
so
में
exactly. I'm not
नहीं
telling
पाएगा.
you they should retire immediately. अभी इंग्लैंड की सीरीज आ रही है, I guess. They should go. They should
Do
play.
you want these
Yeah, I
guys to go
definitely
to
want them. मुझे चाहिए ये लोग 1-2 सीरीज और खेले, and अगर कंटिन्यू, क्योंकि मैं अगर चाहूँ भी ये लोग रणजी खेले कुछ, मुझे पता है वो नहीं होने वाला
नहीं
है.
खेलेंगे.
So I want them to go and play. अगर वो 2 सीरीज,
So you want us to lose England series as well?
नो देख, हम वो बोल नहीं सकते कि ये लोग शायद पूरे टाइम आउट ऑफ फॉर्म ही रहेंगे. अभी मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, पूरे 11
But
प्लेयर्स.
I'm not saying that they're out of form. When you will see Virat and Rohit play in the Champions Trophy now, they will be back in form because that's red ball, that's white ball cricket. And वो लोग मस्त खेलेंगे, वो लोग मचा देंगे, वो लोग IPL भी मस्त खेलेंगे. Red ball cricket is not for everyone, ना. You
But
require
they are too big.
specifics.
See, they are too big. They
Set
have
of
a lot of
skills.
experience. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उनका इनफ एक्सपीरियंस है. They can judge कब रिटायर होना है. बट 1 से 2 सीरीज, एक सीरीज फेलियर के से मैं नहीं चाहता कि ये दोनों अब भी रिटायरमेंट ले ले. Either of them.
3 series failure है ये लोग.
इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ 1 या 2 सीरीज और, अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है then you should take a call. But right now it will be harsh कि अगर एक पूरी सीरीज का ब्लेम हम 2 सीनियर्स पर डालें उनको. ये बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सीरीज. अगर ये सीरीज में जब सब फेल हो जाते हैं,
Our bigger failure was losing to New Zealand at home. Not
that
this,
was
true.
terrible.
That
That was terrible. वो सबसे
that was a bigger
see,
failure.
but again ये सब चीजों के लिए मेरा थोड़ा व्यू अलग है. I will blame team selection. I don't think Gambhir is doing anything that is benefiting us. हमारा प्लेइंग 11 मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आता है कि वो कौन सा खिला रहा है, क्या नहीं कर रहा है. बट अगेन रोहित विराट के ऊपर अगर बात आती है तो 1-2 सीरीज और मेरे हिसाब से नहीं खेलनी चाहिए. And then they can
advices
take a
to
call.
the captain, to the new captain, maybe if Bumrah becomes, matters a lot. They know the ballers.
I
They
don't think
talk.
Bumrah needs any of them. I think and first of all, Bumrah won't be the captain also. But again, you can say.
I think मतलब they would have been of the opinion कि जैसे उन्होंने T20 में कि after winning in prime they would have retired. I think they are also into the mindset कि उन लोग retire करते हैं अगर हम लोग WTC के लिए qualify करते हैं they would have got the trophy ऐसा कुछ. But I think मतलब not blaming them for the series, but they should gradually just मतलब leave the spot and मतलब groom someone else या किसी को fit करके and they should just मतलब ऐसे let it go now because they are also मतलब they are entering मतलब closer to their 40s and performance तो कुछ है ही नहीं मतलब सालों से नहीं मतलब 5-6 साल की performance के ऊपर थोड़ा ना बोल सकते हो कि चांस देना
I think
चाहिए
they both should retire with immediate effect. मतलब for the betterment. If they love this team, or if they have ever loved this team, they should just.
But I think
retire.
dressing room
Because
will be impacted.
No one, they have zero impact on the dressing room anymore. Like there is no such thing as like he said,
Experienced
his
players.
his presence on the field or something.
But
like
I'm also
that.
of the opinion even Jadeja should take a step back.
Jadeja
ऐसे.
come and go. Jadeja बीच में एक गेम खेले और लास्ट गेम खेले. Jadeja ऐसे भी नहीं है और वो होम टेस्ट सीरीज में Jadeja has a way bigger impact than these two can ever
home
put
में तो
down.
जडेजा.
अभी तो होम सीरीज भी बहुत होगी. अवे में तो Jadeja, अश्विन लोग का कभी इतना इम्पैक्ट रहा भी
नहीं
नहीं.
नहीं.
But you know when a player is washed when you watch them play. We have watched Rohit Sharma play live. Rohit Sharma cannot connect his bat with the ball when it comes to the red ball format. Why do you want him? There's no way he'll go to England and he'll perform well.
But these players have come from there. Okay, they have gone down in their careers and then they have again bounced back. तो मैं यही चाहता हूँ.
कितना बड़ा रोक दोगे तुम उनको?
मैं ज्यादा रोक नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ 1 से 2 सीरीज बिकॉज दे आर वे टू बिग और मुझे लगता है ये प्लेयर्स को ना खुद पता है कि इनको क्या करना है क्या
I
नहीं.
think newer, younger players should get more chances than
They should
older
get chances,
players.
but immediately they are not.
But I think we have a new
replaceable.
cycle right now, and I don't
Yeah.
think
I
that
don't
cycle.
think these two guys should be part of the new cycle, but they will be because
they are no more part of a T20 team. I think they can focus on the longer format. और यहाँ अगर वो लोग नहीं खेल रहे हैं तो यहाँ आप थोड़ा और मेहनत करके अगर आप खेल सकते हो तो खेलो. अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है फिर भी then they should take a call on their careers. Like Gautam Gambhir said today कि वो उनके हाथ में है and he will decide इनसे बात करके क्या है क्या नहीं है. So they will take a call, but I don't think so. ये सीरीज का उनको होना चाहिए because it was a failure for the team, not for both
Yeah,
of
for
them.
the- not blaming them for the
वो
series.
स्पॉट
for
के लिए
sure.
हमारे पास immediate replacements भी नहीं है ना. Opener still, you know,
What's the
you
spot killer?
Opener
at
के लिए भी-
4 and maybe opener के लिए fine.
So we will leave it to our subscribers. Please let us know what do you think is to be blamed for the debacle in the New Zealand Test series as well as the Australian Test series. Let us know in the comment section. Thank you.